This case study examines how 2 meeting rooms have been upgraded with cutting-edge ambience projection, completely transforming the interior. Image blending veterans Wave provided the ambience projection expertise for the project integrator's AV line. Optoma EX785 projectors were specified on the project for their unusual ability to offer a full lens shift range whilst using a short throw lens. This video demonstrates how these companies work together to produce an extraordinary transformation.
AV line exists from 24 years on the audiovisual market and is part of the group Play AV since 2010. The challenge was to integrate an ambience projection since 2 years. We then decided to work with Wave, a company specialized in this kind of installation, mainly in the museums.
We are a Navy company specialized in the museum market, so we do install video projection audio systems specifically for museum installations. The client wants to have 170 degrees projection, and the rooms were to be built without knowing if the project will be installed or not.
The unique feature of the EX785 is its ability to enable full-range lens shift with a short throw ratio of only 0.8. This feature enabled AV Line to realise their ambience vision within the incredibly tight throw distance constraints. The particular off-axis projection was required to avoid shadowing on the image.
We already use them in several museum installations. These ones were chosen because of the short throw capability, off-axis because there were other short throw projectors, but they were on-axis, and these ones have to be off-axis. That's why we also felt confident regarding the X and Y lens shift that enabled us to really adjust the position of the image in the multi-display screen.
In total, 15 XGA projectors were used in each room to produce an image that is over 20 metres wide, blended across 3 sides of the rooms. Using over 12 million pixels and the equivalent of 80,000 lumens, the resulting image engulfs the viewer's senses and provides an ambience environment limited only by the imagination.
In 3 walls we have here, it can be separated in different groups of projectors, 6 on the right, 6 on the left, and 3 in the middle. Between these walls there is no overlapping of the image, but on the other walls the images of 2 projectors, they are side to side, do overlap. And the blending is the way that the brightness and the contrast do fade from one to another, so to overlap them you don't have the double of brightness. And we use AV Stumpfenwings Platinum program to realize this software. So you create all your screens, and in which you integrate your displays, you determine and set up the overlaps you want, and the program to calculate and generate the image with the soft edge that is calibrated.
The EX785 projectors used in this installation are part of the Optoma ProScene range that represents the evolution of projection expertise. For more than a decade, Optoma has been one of the world's foremost projector designers and manufacturers, amongst very few companies that focus exclusively on projection. This knowledge and skill has been used to develop the ProScene product range and support services, which are designed specifically for demanding professional applications